today to launch this new series that is focused on Power Platform quick tips. So in this series, we're going to be doing quick under 5-minute tips to help make you more efficient and better at your job as you work with the Power Platform. Now today's episode, our first episode, we're going to be looking at Power BI and looking at a problem that happens maybe quite frequently for you even, that's all about how to deal with sorting of values in the various visuals that you work with. So we're going to jump right into this because this is quick tips. I want to show you the problem and then show you how to solve it right away. So let's go ahead and jump in. Now in our example that we have here, you can see that I have a chart, a visual, that is displaying our cost by month name. So you can see each of these come through here. Unfortunately, it looks like the visual is actually sorting this by the month name alphabetically rather than chronologically. And you can see this in our slicer over here as well. This is an issue that I see a lot of people post about as well, is talking about how do I change the sort order of my slicer. Well, you'll need to actually, you can sort ascending or descending, but there's another way to really sort it by a specific order if you want it to be sorted by. That's the same issue that will help both not only our chart that we see here, but also our slicer. If we want to sort it by a specific sort order, then there is a field that we can use and a property that we can use to fix this issue. So to solve this problem, we're first going to go ahead and select the column that we want to change the sort order of. And in this case, that's the month name column. And what I'd like to do is I want to sort the month name by the month number, which is what I have underneath my secondary field here. So to do that, I can select this field, then go up to the very top section here underneath the column tools, and you'll find underneath the column tools there's a section here called sort by column. And if we select that, we can then specify which column it is that we want to sort our month name by. So we want to display the month name, but sort by the month number, which is right here. And as you select this, as soon as you select that month as the sort order property, you'll see both the slicer and our chart now resort properly to be able to display the data correctly. So it's as simple as that. You have two columns, one the value that you want to display, and a second column that has the value that you want to sort by, and then use the column property here underneath the column tools called sort by column to define what column you want to sort the other one by. You can see that not only worked against our chart here, our line chart, but it also worked against our slicer. So if you want to have some kind of custom sort order, then you need another field to be able to manage that sort order. That other field can either be one that you create on your own, or it could be one that you pull in from your data source. A common scenario that I see many folks looking to do this with is things like accounts. So if you're looking at general ledger data and you have accounts that you want to sort in a certain order, then you would want to have that sort order stored in some kind of property or some kind of field inside of your data model. So really cool, very simple little tip that I see a lot of people asking about. That's it for this one. Let's go back to full screen here and wrap it up. Hey, I want to thank you for joining for this first episode where we look at a Power BI quick tip. Again, Power BI being part of the overarching Power Platform. We're going to be looking at tips across the entire Power Platform, but today we focused on Power BI. I hope this is something that helps you as you get going working through the Power Platform as well. A very common thing that I see that people run into, and I hope this helps you a lot. Thanks so much for joining. Again, my name is Devin Knight. Feel free to reach out if there's another quick tip that you want me to share with you as well. Thanks a lot.